What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is George Lee, and today we are talking about ExpressVPN. You might have heard me talk about this before, but I am still super pumped up on ExpressVPN, and I want to bring you a new review and why it's probably one of my favorites, and I'm using it every single day. Let's get straight in. Guys, why am I back with another video about ExpressVPN? Not only because it's incredible, but because we have a new part. You can actually get the extension for ExpressVPN now. Look up here. All you gotta do is click that, continue, it'll ask you to log in, and you now have the ExpressVPN extension already in there. And I'm going to show you how incredibly fast this extension works as well with ExpressVPN, just as good as the app does. So let's go on to our favorite one we like to do, Netflix. You can see here I have the UK catalog. Jeffrey Dahmer still hitting up the #1, all right? That crazy man is at #1 on Netflix. Let's go to up to extensions just like I was showing you. Let me put this full screen. Up to extensions like I was showing you, ExpressVPN. I want to see how fast this can connect to, for example, United States. Let's go for it. Ready, go. And it's connecting, and it's trying to connect. I can't even finish my... Guys, I don't even know who I'm speaking to. There's no one here. Guys, who saw how fast that was? It was less than 2 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you've seen one faster than that. All right, that's why we love ExpressVPN. Super fast, and there's so much to choose from. Look at all these, right? Let's try France. Everyone, let's try France, okay? It might be congested with my traffic. I didn't even get to finish the sentence, and it's connected already. All right, that's how incredible it is, and you can just refresh Netflix. You will get the French catalog on here or whatever you have gone to have a look at, okay? So #1 in films in French is The Luckiest Girl Alive. All right, I'm going to watch that tonight, so let me know in the comments if you do, and I will see you there. All right, really cool. That's why I love this extension. It's super fast, and something you get with extensions is usually they take a little bit longer to go. All right, you can still use the app. You can still use everything you want. This gets everything on there. It's just really easy having it as an extension. If you want to go through all the settings and things like that, you can still go into them. Okay, there's no problem at all. It's just configured here to your desktop. Super cool, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about the ExpressVPN extension. So guys, it's really simple. Go to ExpressVPN, all right? Use that link down below. Get the best deals around and just add extension. You can do it for anything, all right? If I actually go back on here, you can actually see how many you can get. You get it on any single website, all right? And again, it doesn't take anything away. You can still go through all your settings, connecting as a startup, all right? Going through all the protocols. You got the kill switch protocol, things like that, okay? Reference to a previous video to get full details on that right now, but I just wanted to bring you why I'm still using VPN and why is it so incredible. This links up with your extension, as you can see here, all right? I'm connected to France, Paris too. I'm connected there. If I change it on here, let's say to Ireland, okay, continue, it will do it for both, okay? They're both completely connected, and they're so fast and connected. I can't believe how fast that is. This is my #1, guys, ExpressVPN. There you go, guys, ExpressVPN. That's why I love it. That link down below, please know, is always going to get you the best deals around. All right, thank you so much for supporting us over the time that we've been on this channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm coming straight back. I've already got the project ready for the next VPN review, so stay tuned, and I will see you there.